This might be the first time in history where humans are creating intelligence outside the human brain. And the strange part, we don't fully understand what happens next. Think about this. ChatGPT reached 100 million users faster than any technology in human history. Faster than the internet, faster than smartphones, even faster than social media. Something massive is happening, and we're only at the beginning. Right now, companies are building AI that can write books, design inventions, and simulate human personalities. But something strange is happening. AI is starting to behave less like a tool and more like a partner, and that changes everything. In 2023, scientists used AI to design a drug for a deadly bacteria in just hours, something that normally takes years. In 2024, an AI system helped scientists discover new antibiotics. In 2025, AI started designing computer chips faster than human engineers, and today, millions of people are already working with AI as a creative collaborator. Writers brainstorm with AI, designers prototype with AI, scientists use AI to discover new molecules. For the first time in history, humans may have intelligent partners. But here's where things get even more interesting. The goal of AI was never just automation, the real goal was augmentation. Not replacing humans, but expanding what humans can do. Today, AI powered prosthetic arms can read muscle signals from the body. Some systems even use ultrasound to detect muscle movement inside the arm, which means amputees can move individual fingers again. And over time, the prosthetic learns from the user. It adapts, it improves. Technology is no longer just a tool, it's becoming part of the human body itself. But this is only the beginning, because the future of AI might not be about machines replacing humans, it might be something far more radical. Human intelligence merging with artificial intelligence. AI in creativity, AI in research, AI in design, AI helping scientists discover things that were impossible before. For thousands of years, intelligence belonged to one species, humans. But for the first time in history, we may be creating a second form of intelligence. Can machines think? The real question is, what happens when they start thinking with us? The future of AI might not be humans versus machines, it might be something far more powerful. This is Decode AI. Follow because the future of intelligence is just beginning.